We all have a vision to achieve in our life. For that, we make investment. Today in this video, we'll see, will HDFC Life Sampoorn Samridhi Plus plan protect your life financially from unexpected turns and also provide you with market-linked returns to tackle the inflation? In this video, let us take a detailed review on this plan and also know its IRR analysis. By that, we will come to know whether this plan would be beneficial to our investment portfolio or not. Hi and welcome to holisticinvestment.in YouTube channel. We help individual investors like you to take right financial and investment decision. This HDFC Life Sampoorn Samridhi plan is non-linked participating life insurance plan. Today in this video, let us take a look into its features, benefits and also its IRR analysis. By that, we will come to know whether this plan would be beneficial to our investment portfolio or not, and also compare it with pure term insurance along with PPF or ELSS to get a better clarity on this plan and also to see whether this plan would be an ideal suit for us to achieve our financial goals or not. Now let's first look into the features of this HDFC Life Sampoorn Samridhi Plus plan. Under this plan, the policyholder must pay a regular premium for a specific period which can be 10, 15 or 20 years. You have the option to extend life cover up to age of 100 years. The bonus, if declared, increase your final payment. Guaranteed additions of 3 to 5% per annum of sum assured on maturity for the first 5 years in addition to declared bonuses. In case of death of the life assured due to accident, you get an additional benefit. Now let's see the benefits under the HDFC Life Sampoorn Samridhi Plus plan. There are total 5 benefits. The first one is death benefit, second one is accidental death benefit, third one is maturity benefit, fourth one is bonus and the fifth one is guaranteed additions. Now let's first see the death benefit. On the death of the life assured during the policy term, provided all premiums have been paid, the nominee would receive the higher of the following: sum assured on death plus acute guaranteed additions plus acute reversionary bonus if declared, an interim bonus if declared and terminal bonus if declared, or 105% of the total premium paid to date. Now if you see, the second one is accidental death benefit. In case of the death of the life assured due to an accident during the term of the policy, an additional sum equal to sum assured on death is payable. The third one is maturity benefit. At the end of the policy term, provided all premiums have been paid, you will receive the aggregate of sum assured on maturity, acute guaranteed additions, acute reversionary bonus if declared, interim bonus if declared and terminal bonus if declared. There is also endowment option and endowment with whole life option available in this. And fourth one is bonus. There is reversionary bonus and terminal bonus, so you as a policyholder can opt any one of them. The fifth one is guaranteed additions. The guaranteed additions are payable at the maturity or death, whichever is earlier. The rate of guaranteed additions will depend upon the policy term and will occur during the first 5 years of the policy. Now let us look into the advantages of the HDFC Life Sampoorn Samridhi Plus plan. You can opt for any one of the plan options, endowment or endowment with whole life option. Premium paying term is limited. Guaranteed additions and bonuses that include non-guaranteed will increase your maturity value. Riders will enhance the cover. If select a high sum assured on maturity, then the discount is offered on your premium. And also you can avail loan under this policy provided policy has accrued a surrender value. Now let's see the potential disadvantages of this HDFC Life Sampoorn Samridhi Plus plan. Here the policyholder has to wait for a lock-in period of 2 years to avail loan facility or to surrender his policy. So if you have a short-term financial goals or for emergency requirements, or you may have to change your policy according to your future unpredictability. So for that you have to wait for 2 years. So this may be a big obstacle for you in achieving your financial goals. And also the maturity amount is not guaranteed. Even though there is a maturity amount given, so you can't plan accordingly. Suppose you are going to receive a maturity amount in the next month, you may not sure how much the maturity amount will be. So you can't plan your expenses accordingly, or you can't plan other investment to start other investment accordingly. Here the sum assured is also too low to meet your family's future financial needs. So as an investor, before choosing our investment vehicle, we need to see the current financial situations and also our financial requirements and also our financial goals, and then decide our investment vehicle accordingly. We as investors, before choosing our investment vehicle, we need to gain insights on its potential return. For that, we need to look at its IRR analysis. IRR analysis means internal rate of return. By that, we come to know what is its potential return and will this potential return help us achieve our future milestones. Now, let us look into the HDFC Life Sampoorn Samridhi Plus Plan IRR analysis. For that, let us make certain assumptions so that comparing it would be easier. Here, a male is 35 years, his sum assured is 10 lakhs, policy term is 20 years, premium paying term is 15 years, annual premium is 82,580. This benefit illustration is taken from HDFC website, and the return of 4% and return of 8% are just assumptions, they are not guaranteed. If you see under the worst case scenario, that is the return of 4%, its IRR seems to be 2.42%. And under best case scenario, its IRR seems to be 5.81%. If you see, this is also not guaranteed, and even though if it's guaranteed, the return is much lesser than even bank FD rate. So as an investor, with this, will you be able to achieve your financial goals? Definitely not. For that, we need to look into its alternatives by which we can achieve our financial goals and also give our family the financial protection they require. Now let's look into the HDFC Life Sampoorn Samridhi plan alternatives by which we can achieve our financial goals. Now let us compare this HDFC Life Sampoorn Samridhi Plus plan with a pure term insurance along with PPF or ELSS to get a better insight on this. Now for this, let us make certain assumptions. Here the sum assured is 10 lakh, policy term is 20 years, premium paying term is 10 years, annual premium is 8,700. The remaining amount can be invested in PPF or ELSS catering to policyholders' choice, which he can decide based on his risk appetite and financial goals, and that can be 73,880. If you see here, a pure term insurance along with PPF can generate an IRR of 6.46%, which is higher than the IRR of HDFC Life Sampoorn Samridhi Plus plan, and which could be more beneficial for you as an investor to achieve your goals. Whereas if you are an investor who is willing to take a risk, then you can invest in ELSS, which can generate an IRR of 10.72%, which is an inflation beating return and will be much helpful to achieve your financial goals. Here if you see, PPF is low risk investment. Even it can provide a better return when compared to HDFC Life Sampoorn Samridhi Plus plan. We as investors, before choosing our investment vehicle, we need to look into the other investment vehicles that are already there in the market and also compare it with its IRR analysis with this, and so that we would come to know whether this would be beneficial to our financial goals or not. From the above illustration, we can clearly indicate that this will not be sufficient enough for us to achieve our financial goals and also give our family the financial protection they require. Now let's see the final verdict on this HDFC Life Sampoorn Samridhi Plus plan. It is a good option for investors looking for guaranteed return along with life coverage. This policy has a maturity benefit that includes non-guaranteed bonus. This makes the internal rate of return inadequate. The potential return will not be helpful for you in achieving your future milestones. We should note one thing. We as investors should always look to invest in investment vehicle that adds value to our investment portfolio and also generates inflation beating on the long run. If you see, to create an ideal investment strategy that help you achieve your financial goals, you need to consult your financial advisor by which you can achieve your financial goals without much stress and also look to become a better investor. The detailed analysis of HDFC Life Sampoorn Samridhi plan is available in our website in the form of a blog post, the link to which is given in the description below. If you have any doubt regarding this or any other financial or investment decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial expert. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like, and if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe.